Again, we're gonna start from our standing position. Good posture, nice and tall, strong, sitting in the glutes, shoulders back and down. So with balance, we can start with breaking down into shapes. So we can do triangle of balance. So we just go in a nice shoulder width stance, and we're gonna dissect the feet, all right? So between the heels, either points of the triangle, dissect the top of the center line between the tops of the feet, that becomes our triangle. So to tip a triangle over, it is easier in this point here. So you are very easily knocked over this way and knocked over this way, all right? So when you're attacking somebody, you also want to position yourself in this position to then drive through them, all right? So where I am strong in this is from this side, all right? So the more I expand this, the stronger I am this way. And then my triangle becomes much weaker here. So I become even easier to knock over this way, all right? So we need to protect that and exploit it in our opponents.